Christine. It's time for a scrapbook process video, and technically this isn't for a hop or anything, although I am using my counterfeit kit because at the end of the month, I'm actually the master forger for the month. I'm supposed to do the post about the scraps that I have left over, which means I need to use my papers, right? And I don't have a ton left over, and technically I pulled this out as I was cleaning out my stickers. So technically I don't necessarily have to use this, but I did see this little musical border, so I thought I'm going to keep it out. Plus I think I've got it so cherished and I think I've got some stuff I might can use this for. So I'm going to set that aside for just a second, but what I have, I don't really have a plan. I have the photos. I had a bridal shower this past weekend that we were like co-hosting. This is our bride. She's so beautiful. And I just took, and I put a lot of photos in like the little selfie in like 2x2s. So I'm kind of almost imagining from a design of the photo standpoint, doing something where the photos kind of encircle the big, this photo maybe. You know, something like this. Oh, I have one more. Good. Like this. I think that looks really cute. And then my challenge, though, is my papers here. Like, I mean, brutal honesty, I don't love this. So I may flip this over. I mean, sorry. It's not technically the musical theme of the kit, but you know what? The point is to use the papers and the goods. So I'm going to cheat. The blue stripe was the one that I actually selected initially for the counterfeit kit, but I'm leaning toward this. I'll scooch it around and stuff. And then if I do something like that, and I really want to avoid photo matting, if I'm brutally honest, because they're tiny and there's a lot. So I'm wondering, what if I... Let's see, I could cut these little tags out. That's, again, not technically... Although I could do something with this and this. I already used the other half of this music paper. I could cut that down and make like, I don't know, you guys. I am really struggling right here. I'm hesitant to do, I may bring this. Because then it's a little, it's kind of interesting. I've got this neat contrast of the papers. I could cut it down so that it frames out with this. Like that. And I'll probably scuff the edges if I do that. But then I still have some... Let me see. I think I want to go like this. Can I do something with the musical paper? Maybe I just put the main photo on the musical paper. I mean, that could be cute. I gotta find a title that's like bride related. Okay, let me see if I can do this. So let me work on this bit here. Oh, and I could even do something like this. It's got little hearts and stuff. Okay, let me do a little bit of work here. I think I have a thought. Because see, none of these are really bride related. I don't think I want to use these embellishments. It's not a birthday. So let me do a little thought work here. And see if I can... I could even ink this in like a blue, because the whole theme was denim. That could be cute with like a blue. So let me do that too. Okay, let me do a little homework here. Figure out my actual design. Is my thing on camera? Yeah. Figure out my actual design. I'll be back on in a minute. Okay, you guys. I have cut down that little collage looking paper by 1/4 inch on all 4 sides so that it was even. And I got my little cut file, and I'm inking it up with this, I think, Stormy Weather. And I put this on like 5X because it takes me just a minute. I'm trying not to tear it. And I think it turns out really cute, though. I'm going to end up putting foam behind, like, all the little pieces. And then even on the edge, I'll cut some foam and kind of make it fit behind the little skinny piece. And so now I'm going to take my photo, which I did mount on that little music paper. I decided to go ahead and ink the edges of it with the blue because why not? It was sitting there. And I thought, well, I'll just use a little bit more. So I inked the edges of it. I did go ahead and decide to mount the 2x2s on like tan cardstock because I just felt like they were going to get lost on the paper. There was a lot going on. So I went ahead and mounted them. I think it looks really good. And it didn't take me that long because I'd done a good job cutting them out at 2x2. So they all fit nicely. And I'm going to make my little circle arrangement here. And I really like this. And I'm going to end up having to adjust it just a tad because, of course, you can see the music pieces are kind of coming in there. I think this looks really cute here. Now I'm going to run off in a minute get a title, and you'll see that. But this sticker sheet here, which technically was not a part of my original counterfeit kit. Like I said, I was actually doing my sticker organization, which that video's on here. It's kind of long just because I sit and, take you through the journey of picking my sticker sheets that I keep and don't keep. And this was one I technically wasn't, quote, keeping, except I go, well, it goes with my counterfeit kit, so I'm going to use it with that, and then what I don't use up, I'll let go. And then I thought to myself, this title here, I was over there looking in the scrap rack, and I saw this foam thing here, and it said Adventure Awaits, and we had that on a bunch of the different little goodies and stuff, because it was a travel-themed, like Miss to Mrs. thing, bridal shower. And I thought, oh, that's perfect because it works out well with the bridal shower. And I thought I have to have one more sticker, y'all. It felt a little empty. And I see this one that says Moments. And so I think that looks really cute. And then I go, well, I want to do a little bit of journaling. I did have this little tag that has music notes on it. So I put that up underneath the title there. There's no real reason for the music as it relates to the bridal shower. But why not? I just think it's cute anyways. And then this little piece here I found out in my scrap rack too. It said, be happy, be bright, be you. And she is just the brightest little soul. She's such a sweet girl. So I thought that was cute for that. And then I just write on there the journaling, which just has the date and the fact that we co-hosted this bridal shower and that it was, travel themed and we had the best time and stuff like that. So that went on there. And then after that, I'm done, you guys. I did not overly embellish this because that collage paper just had a lot going on. But I'm really excited. I don't have much left. I think I may do one more layout and then I can do my blog post for the scraps here at the end of the month on the Counterfeit Kit challenge. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the blog. I'll drop a link below and we will see you next time. Bye.